Hi, this is Martin Cole from Gardening Step by Step. It's the middle of June. It's a beautiful sunny day. So I thought it'd be a good idea to show you what's looking good in my garden right now. And we'll start with these Nepeta, so these catmints. They're flopping over a bit now. Probably just going over their best, but they're just a real magnet for the bees, the butterflies, as you can see, and the other pollinators. Have really done a great job. Beautiful blue, purpley blue display. On the back fence you can see we've got this Clematis that has come out recently. Again, another deep purple colour, really attractive blue. And moving on to one of my favourite plants, for which we've got a plant of the day video, the Melianthus major, the honey bush. This is a real foliage plant, and even that is attracting some beneficial interest. See the ladybug there, the ladybird. I've got this beautiful salvia. Again, just probably going over, but still putting on a good display. The geranium and the geums. Lots of bees buzzing around, attracted to these flowers. It's a warm day today, so probably even better for them. And then some of the big spectacular perennials. This Inula magnifica. Lovely daisy-like flowers with these sort of papery florets or petals, and the Verbascum olympicum. Now this is a spectacular plant. Look at the size of these. They kind of erupt like rockets, or sort of, they look like there's a kind of candelabra of the flowers, full of bees, wasps, different pollinating insects. Really very attractive to the insect population and to the human population, certainly to me, given the sort of stature of these plants. The vegetable garden is doing pretty well. We've got some lettuce leaves, some pak choi, some kale, some zucchini, courgettes, some runner beans at the back, just making their way up the poles. More lettuces here. Got a sort of bunch of dahlias as well growing at the back of this raised bed. Dahlias do really well in raised beds, and so I experimented with that last year, and it's done well. Here's the greenhouse. I like to put some pots outside. A nice dahlia, spectacular colour petunia. This is a Euphorbia mellifera that's self-seeded, and I dug it up and originally put it in the garden, but now I've put it in the pot for this summer to see how it develops. These are Catalpa bignonioides, which are trees that I grew from seeds. About probably 4 years old now. They're in fairly small pots, so they're quite restricted in their growth because they can become big trees, which is why I haven't put them in the garden yet. But it's been fascinating to watch them develop. Got a lemon here, which I'm growing for the first time. I bought quite cheaply in my local supermarket. It's got a fruit developing, there are flowers, some lovely fresh leaves, and in the greenhouse you can see the tomatoes are just beginning to come on. So it's a great time of year for us gardeners. Everything is taking off. There's so much to look at, so much activity, the pollinators, the birds, the beneficial insects like all of these ladybugs here. And I'm going to be going away, so it will be interesting to see how the garden fares without me. Much of that will depend on the weather. So I hope you've enjoyed this look around the June garden. This is Martin Cole from gardeningstepbystep.com. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more gardening videos.